Racing just is started. We have Director Sweet Break Quick Later Start running by the release Black Shadow. Apple Green comes next, then followed by Mapaginala, Magical Bell, Worth the Wait. The next on line is Juliana Spet, Muscubado, while Baby Dugo is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Director Sweet by about 3 lengths. Black Shadow in second, and in third comes Apple Green. Juliana Spet now to take fourth. Magical Bell mapaghinala. Moose Cubaro in between horses worth the wait while Baby Dugo is still in last. Back to the leader, we have Director Sweet enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Apple Green now in second, Black Shadow. Then here comes Juliana Spet. Moose Cubado is down on the inside. Magical Bell mapaghinala worth the wait while Baby Dugo is still in last. And at the fourth turn, we have Director Sweet enjoying a 2 lengths lead. And in second is Apple Green. Then here comes Moose Cubado. Now moving up down on the inside together with Juliana Spet. Magical Bell mapaghinala as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Apple Green. Moose Cubado is down on the inside. Juliana Spet is down in third. Last 100 meters, we have Moose Cubado, followed by Apple Green in second. Mapaghinala is down in third. And finally, the curtain closer, Moose Cubado. The second is Apple Green. Then comes Mapaghinala, Baby Dugo, Worth the Wait, Juliana Spet.
Alright, number 3, Moose Cubado, crossing the wire first, ridden by J.G. Zerano. Masisigundo yung Apple Green, then Mapaghinala. Iyon ang aking narinig. Panoorin natin, replay nito ating final race.